make fried rice and chicken. Now I'm washing my vegetables carefully to make sure they're clean and ready for our fried rice. Onions and green peppers to the mix, giving it that fresh, vibrant flavor. Watch how the colors come alive as I toss them gently. Now I'm adding my stir-fried vegetables into the rice to give it that nice color and flavor. Now I'm adding my seasoning to make the rice flavorful and delicious. Now I'm adding some fresh green onions and herbs to make it look and taste amazing. I'm adding some fresh green onions and herbs to complete our fried rice with all the chicken, vegetables and seasoning already in it. Now I'm plating our fried rice with the chicken on the side, making it look ready and delicious. This fried rice and chicken is so delicious, perfectly cooked and full of flavor. Now person wey chop bell food dey dance o. Please like and follow my page for more. What should I cook next?